Have you ever stopped to wonder what powers our modern world? What element is at the heart of our tech-savvy lives? It's a small yet mighty element known as lithium. This unassuming silver-white metal plays a critical role in powering our tech-driven society. From the smartphone you can't live without to the electric car you've been dreaming about, lithium is the powerhouse behind them all. But here's the catch. The production of lithium, particularly for batteries, has long been a game dominated by one player, China. With strategic planning and state support, China has managed to secure a strong grip on the world's lithium supply. It has invested heavily in battery manufacturing and secured raw materials globally, capturing significant market shares. But as the saying goes, the only constant in life is change, and change is afoot in the lithium landscape. A new player is stepping into the spotlight, ready to shake up the lithium supply chain and challenge China's dominance. That player is India. The next chapter of the Lithium Revolution is about to begin. Stay tuned. India, traditionally known for its rich culture and diverse landscapes, is now also becoming known for something entirely different: lithium. The subcontinent has recently struck a different kind of gold, unearthing significant lithium deposits. This discovery is like finding a magic lamp with the power to transform India's role in the tech industry and reduce its dependency on foreign imports. Lithium, an essential component of rechargeable batteries that power everything from smartphones to electric vehicles, has long been dominated by a handful of countries. China in particular has been a Goliath in the battery production sector, leaving other nations in its shadow. However, with this recent discovery, India now holds the potential to challenge this status quo. These lithium deposits could fuel the country's tech industry, powering a new generation of devices and electric vehicles. India, a country known for its technological prowess, now has the opportunity to further cement its place in the global tech arena. Imagine a future where the battery powering your electric car or the device you're watching this on was made with lithium sourced and processed right here in India. That's the potential we're talking about. However, these deposits aren't just about powering gadgets and vehicles. They represent a much larger picture. India's government plans to utilize these deposits for domestic battery production, a move that could significantly reduce the country's reliance on foreign imports. This step towards self-reliance is not just a stride in economic growth, but a leap towards a more sustainable and self-sufficient future. But it doesn't stop there. The ripple effects of this discovery extend far beyond India's borders. The global lithium supply chain, a market currently dominated by a select few, could witness a new player. This could lead to a more diversified and resilient supply chain, reducing the world's dependency on a single source. This new discovery could not only reshape India's technological landscape but also impact the global lithium supply chain. India's lithium story is just beginning, and we can't wait to see where it takes us. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the global impact of this discovery in the next scene. So, what does this mean for the rest of the world? Well, let's start with the fact that these deposits could challenge China's dominance in the battery production industry. As we've seen, China's stronghold in this sector, fortified by strategic planning and state support, has left other countries, including the US, reliant on Chinese batteries. But with India's newfound lithium deposits, the tables could be turning. India, with its vast reserves, has the potential to become a major player in the global tech industry. This could mean a more diverse supply chain, reducing global dependence on a single country. It could also lead to a drop in the global price of lithium. As supply increases, prices tend to fall, making electric vehicles and other lithium-powered tech more affordable. Moreover, India's entry into the lithium market could stimulate competition, prompting innovation in battery technology and manufacturing processes. This could lead to more efficient, longer-lasting batteries, further propelling the transition to renewable energy. But it's not just about tech. These deposits could also have geopolitical implications, altering power dynamics and reshaping alliances. The future of lithium, and by extension our tech-driven world, could very well be shaped by these deposits in India. So we're left with the question, what's next? As we wrap up, let's revisit the crucial points discussed. The discovery of lithium deposits in India marks a significant turning point. It's not just about India's potential to become a key player in the lithium supply chain, but it could also reshape the global tech industry. Imagine a world where the dominance of China in the battery sector is challenged, leading to a shift in the balance of power in the tech world. India, with its newfound resources, could very well be the catalyst for that change. Moreover, consider the ripple effects in the electric vehicle industry, renewable energy, and beyond. The potential here is vast, and it's not limited to India alone. This could trigger a chain reaction, prompting other nations to explore their own grounds for hidden lithium treasures. While the exact impact of India's lithium deposits remains to be seen, one thing is certain: the world of lithium and our tech-driven lives will never be the same.